Okay, so here we have an example of my mind map gadget. There is a public Wave which you can get to, which has got the installer here. So when I click on install extension, it goes and adds it into the editing bar, which will appear up here when we edit waves. And now I can go and create myself a new wave. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, it's just going to be me, but you could have as many participants in this wave if you want. So you have sample mind map wave coming in here. Give it a bit of space, and now we can insert the widget using the little cactus icon that gets added by the extension handler. Start up with just the root node. We can edit that and say sample mind map. Then we can use these icons, these icon buttons up here to be able to create subnodes. So child node, or we can use keyboard extensions as well. So I know how to do this. I'll have another child and another one to create siblings. If I want to create a child, so on and so forth. You also have the ability to drag and drop around, so you can go and change the parentage of things. You can select an icon for things, so let's put a priority 1 on that one there. You can delete things. If I delete that, and we'll go and change things in there. That's pretty straightforward at this stage. You can also upload and download from FreeMind compatible file formats, so if you want to get things in and out of the system. And one thing which is, I think, a little bit unique to this is the ability to vote for things. So I wanted to come in and I wanted to vote that thing up, and you get a little icon here showing you who's voted for it, and a little pop-up that comes in against it. Or I could vote it down, and similar sorts of things. So this thing here just shows you the count of how many people have actually voted for it. That's pretty much it. If somebody else was to come in, I would see the changes happen in live time, and also we can see things happening as part of the time view as well. Just get rid of that. So if I have a look at the playback here, I should be able to see what's actually coming out on it. So it's loading up the gadget. It starts out with what we started with, and then I can see it being built up as it goes through because it uses the Google Wave API completely. That's it. I hope you enjoy it.